What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a 70-inch phone tripod selfie stick. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. All right, so once you get everything out of the box, you get this USB-C to USB-A charging cable. You have your user manual, and you have this bag that you can use to carry around your tripod if you want to put it in this. Nice and handy. And this is going to be the tripod selfie stick. It's also called an auto open selfie stick tripod because this automatically opens. So when this is not open, it's nice to carry around with. It's not too thin. It's actually pretty light as well. Kind of top heavy, gives you some nice support. To open this, you would just hit this on the ground. Boom, it expands really wide. And then you have your selfie stick action that expands all the way up to 70 inches. Now, depending on how far you go, you can adjust to the level, the height that you need it to be. And then you have this hot shoe on here, so you can have different types of mounting options. This is where you're going to put your phone in. And then you have this 180-degree angle that you can have for your different angles of the shots that you want to get. So I have my cell phone here. What I'll do is go ahead, prop this up like this. And then included on here is going to be a wireless shutter. So this is pretty cool. It attaches on here by magnet. So you have a wireless shutter, so that way you don't have to worry about, hitting the countdown button or having someone, hit that photo button for you for if you want to take photos or videos. You can just, have this down in your pocket or something and just hit that button and record yourself. You can have this up like so and take some selfies. This is going to be a very cool travel accessory or just accessory to use for shooting. So this would be an example of using the hot shoe. You can use a microphone on here. Different camera accessories help you get the right audio or the right lighting situation and to just be able to produce better footage. So I like the way that this design is. You could adjust the tension right here. So if this becomes too loose or too tight, if you have a screwdriver, you can just adjust that tension on the neck. And this way you can get some great angles. So guys, this is going to be the 70-inch auto open tripod selfie stick. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.